Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA XR20 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to block a number. We can use directly our contact list or let's say dialer settings. And of course I'll show you both. Let's begin with the contacts. Let's find the contact you would like to block and tap on it. Choose this three-dot icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. And as you can see, we've got the information that from now on we will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick it and tap on block. And as you can see, we've got the information that from now on this number is blocked. Of course, we can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on the three-dot icon, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the block list. So let me show you another way to block a number, and here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three-dot icon and enter the settings. Now we have to tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see here, we've got our blacklist, and this is the number we just blocked from our contact list. What's more, we can add a number manually just by tapping on this add a number option, and here we can enter the number we want to block and tap on block. And as you can see, it actually immediately appears on the blacklist. So again, it means that you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. What's more, here we've got call option unknown. After tapping on it, you can activate that. So it means that from now on, your device will block calls from all unidentified callers. So that's, as I said, quite a useful option. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to. And if you'd like to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to the number you'd like to unblock. And of course, tap on unblock to confirm we had the information that the number has been unblocked successfully. So actually, this is it. This is how to block a number in your NOKIA XR20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.